If equipped, Active Driving Assist, or ADA, is a driver assistance feature that helps maintain vehicle position and speed while driving. The system operates at speeds of up to 90 miles per hour or 145 kilometers per hour when lane markings are detected. To activate ADA, you must be driving with your hands on the steering wheel and Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, enabled. Push the ADA button on the left side of the steering wheel and wait up to 5 seconds for the system to activate. ADA will now keep your vehicle in the center of the lane, maintain your selected speed, and maintain a set distance to the driver in front of you. A dedicated screen will appear in the instrument cluster display where you can view system status along with any warnings. For example, if the vehicle crosses a lane boundary, the steering wheel will vibrate and a warning will appear. If you take your hands off the steering wheel, both visual and audible warnings will be given. You can temporarily suspend ADA by doing one of the following. Begin steering manually. Press the brake pedal. Activate the turn signals. Shift into park, reverse, or neutral. Or disable Adaptive Cruise Control. ADA will automatically reactivate when required conditions are met. For example, re-enabling ACC will reactivate ADA. The system may deactivate or have limited functionality due to any of the following. Hands are removed from the steering wheel. The driver changes lanes without using the turn signal. The driver's seatbelt is unbuckled. Forward collision warning is enabled and active braking occurs. There are narrow bends or excessive curves in the road. Lane markings are not detected. Navigation information is unavailable or being recalculated. See your owner's information for other factors that may limit system functionality. The ADA system information can be viewed in the instrument cluster display at any time, and the system status is indicated by the color of the symbol on the display. Remember, ADA is not a substitute for safe driving. Always remain alert and pay attention to traffic conditions when using the system. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.